National airport workers walked off the job today to protest what they call unfair working conditions.
Eyewitness News reporter Justin Finch has that story.
BJ 32. On the clock, they're wheelchair attendants, luggage handlers, and aircraft cleaners. Today, they're off the clock, picketing for health insurance, paid leave, and more money.
I have a family. I have 4 kids. I have a husband. I have car insurance. A mortgage. I got all type of bills, and living off of $725 is not enough money at all.
Serena Santos is a baggage handler for a company called Prime Flight, which supplies workers for several airlines. Among their major contracts, U.S. Airways. Prime Flight and Prospect Airport Services are the targets of the Thursday walkout.
I started working for a company called Prospect, and I now make $5.75 an hour.
The non-union workers are teaming with the union, SEIU Local 32BJ, for the walkout. They've allied themselves in 2 prior walkouts last year. They and City Councilman Kenyatta Johnson are calling for Prime Flight and Prospect to at least pay the city-approved hourly wage of $10.88. If not, the $12 Mayor Nutter signed off on for workers who are employed by businesses that hold city contracts.
We want to enforce the law and make sure that the companies that contracts out here with the Philadelphia International Airport follow the law. The
second leg of the walkout will bring demonstrators here to Art Street Methodist, and from here they'll go back to the airport to close out their demonstrations. We did reach out to Prime Flight as well as Prospect Airways for comment and are awaiting a response. In Center City, I'm Justin Finch, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.